we need to start this on.
Alright, hi guys. I'm gonna show you how to
No, you can't do it besides waiting. You gotta wait for the regen.
add delete that. I'm gonna show you how to add a mod call to your game. Last video, I attempted doing it, I forgot my mic was off. Oops. But anyway, yeah, so first you wanna go here,
Okay.
3D object, cube. You'll see a giant
This guy here
cube.
is fine. He's fine.
You'll have to drag it into stump if it's outside stump. Or put it wherever you want to put your mod call button, it doesn't really matter. Shrink it down to the size of what you want it to be. Like that, basically. Yeah, you can drag it and stuff. Put it where you want to put it. Do that. Rotate it where you want to rotate it. It doesn't really matter where you put it or rotate it, as long as you have everything needed for it. That's what matters. So then you can turn on this right here. It looks like that at the top corner, and then you'll have to click the text of one of these buttons. Click Control C, Control V. It'll copy the text. You can bring it where you want to.
What victory do we feel like we've celebrated?
I'm just gonna put it inside cube. It won't mess with anything if you put it inside cube. Just drag it in front. Where even is the text? Where does it say anything? Mod.
Wait, what?
Hang on, mod. I don't know why it's doing this. Hang on, let me just
Yo, I didn't even realize the
delete
criminal was
that.
there.
I guess you can't drag it onto there.
I didn't even realize he was
Control
there.
V. Then you'll have to drag it up to your button.
Where's a sneaky boy? Where's a sneaky boy?
Change it to say
Mr.
mod
Man. Yo, I got killed by
call,
Mr. Man. Who the?
all caps.
I got killed by Mr. Man.
Change the color if you want to, like that.
What do you mean my hitbox is so big? Oh wait, I made
that.
myself fat, didn't I? I did. I forgot about that.
Anyway, sorry about the background. Yeah, my brother is playing the VR, but anyway, yeah. Can I do this? Alright, anyway, you'll have to, now you'll have to, I'm kind of in a hurry I have to get off. So go to cube, type in mod. Actually, no, type in call mod BUTTON. Do that. Then you'll have to stand a cube, Banana OS, just drag that in. I'll have these in my Discord, call mod button, drag that in. Press material, just go PRES, you'll see that. Then this, you have to drag it into unpressed button render. You'll have to take the one that you're using, then do that.
Are you going somewhere? Yeah, I want to go to your main for a little bit.
Anyway, yeah, now you'll have to create the mod call channel. Now edit channel. Permissions, make it where only you can see it, and assign roles to it and stuff. If you have roles, you'll have to make roles and stuff. And then webhook, new webhook, name it mod call. Copy webhook URL, but you can put the picture if you want. Copy your webhook URL. Don't delete it, but I'm deleting it because I already have one. Then And then you want to go to the mod call button script, edit script. Find where it says Discord webhook URL. It'll say your webhook URL here. You'll have to delete that text and like don't delete these. Those are important. And then like paste in the like webhook URL. And then like click Control S to save it. And then you can just exit out of that. And then like it only works if you're in a server, like public or private, doesn't matter. You can delete it, the notification once once the moderator gets handled the staff member. Hang on, let me just turn that off. Alright, so yeah, I hope this helped you. I'm gonna probably delete this button, so you don't delete it though. I'm deleting it. Oh wait, I need to turn that on to delete the text as well. Delete that. But anyway, once you go into play mode, it won't work until like you're in a server. As you can see, like you'll hear a notification on your Discord when you click it, like when it works. Yeah, as you can see, I clicked it, it didn't make a sound in my Discord, like that. But when I join a server, you can, hang on. I don't think you can test press it, but I don't know. Need to click it. As you could hear that, then you'll be able to go to like it, and like as you can see, it says like the ID of the player, so you can ban them if they spam the mod call. Because that gets annoying, you'll just hear ba-dum, 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 ba-dum in your Discord server. Room ID, that's just what like room they are in, and like the player username and stuff. But yeah, you can delete it when you want to. And yeah, that's how you do it.